Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to make the Grinch origami fighter jet designed by Pirate 5362 or something like that. I don't remember it. So if you watch my previous video how to cut the square into A4, you should get this. So just use those creases, make that, flip it over, fold this to that edge, like that. Do that on the other side. Flip it over again, fold this in. So it's like basically Ripper from A4, so like that. And then fold the other edge in. And then you're gonna take this track paper out and squash it. Now you're gonna inside petal fold it. So just like do those creases. Sorry if my hands are in the way, it's like pretty small paper. You can use A4, it's like the bigger equivalent of this, what I'm using. Just do like the pre-creases for falcon base. Okay, so I just do petal fold, now you're gonna do it on the inside, kind of like open it up, find that crease right there, and I just pop it in. Then that should look like that. Now you're gonna fold that edge out like that, and do that on the other side. Okay, like that. Now you're gonna, oh wait, actually, no, you're not gonna do that. Sorry. Just thinking of like Bumblebee. Okay, so it should look like that. Then you're gonna fold that out. Like that. To that edge, not out, like, not out. What's wrong? So like that, to that edge. Then you just open up the side, kind of like the F-16. You're gonna swivel that to that, like that. And then do that on the other side too. Actually fold that down. And then just continue that crease. Like that. Like that. Okay. Told you, it's basically Ripper for me. Now you're gonna fold these extra flaps out using the crease. Now you're gonna fold that other thing out. These other two flaps as far as they'll go without ripping. Now fold that down to the edge. You're just gonna do like the tail fin process. Like these, use it on like Frostbite, Ripper, and all those planes like that. You're probably used to this. Okay, so like that. Just pop that back down. Open it up, reverse that crease, use those creases, and do that. You got that. That's the tail fins. Repeat on the other side. So open that up, reverse that crease, like that, and then just reverse those. Okay. Now, you see that crease? Like, why didn't it focus? Like, there's like a little crease there. you're gonna fold from there all the way out to that edge. Oh, first you're gonna put that back then. So I'll do it and show you. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. And then repeat it on the other side. Make sure to do all the layers, not just a few of them. And I just jet fold it. Okay. And I just like fold the wings and tail fins up. Okay. Just do that. And just like get it how you want it to be. Okay, now you're gonna pull that layer out, which is gonna be the engine, and fold that up in. And then do that again to lock it together. Okay, so after you've done that, you can like roll these edges to make an afterburner. Like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. So, okay, that's it.